Hello and welcome to the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, ready to guide you through today's most important stories. NewsRamp.com brings you curated business news from top sources, keeping you informed and ahead of the curve. A quick note before we start. This podcast is created using AI and AI voices, but all the news stories are real, and you can find the complete articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Wednesday evening, November 5th, 2025, and we've got an exciting lineup of finance news waiting for you. So whether you're driving, taking a break, or winding down for the day, let's get right into it. Our first story today is
Rubean AG. Revenue almost tripled in the first 9 months of 2025. Rubean AG, a fintech company based in Munich, reported a significant increase in revenue in the first 9 months of 2025. The Rubean Group's revenue nearly tripled, rising by 170% to over €3.5 million compared to the same period last year. A key factor in this growth was a license agreement with Payten, a leading payment service provider in Central Eastern Europe. This agreement will allow Rubean to further expand its presence in the region. Rubean AG is known for its pure software point-of-sale solutions, including the mobile soft POS solution PhonePOS. The company is listed on M-Access and various trading venues. For more information, visit www.rubean.com.
Mission Iron News Breaks. Silver Sand and Carangas set to power new Pacific Metals Corp. and WP, TSS, and NUE. Amid historic rally, New Pacific Metals Corp., Nomawi WP, is positioned to benefit from the historic surge in precious metals expected in 2025. With flagship projects in Bolivia, Silver Sand, and Carangas, the company could produce nearly 19 million ounces of silver annually, solidifying its position among the top emerging silver producers. Carangas also offers significant gold potential, boosting project economics as gold prices reach record highs. With Bolivia's untapped mineral-rich resources, New Pacific is well-positioned to capitalize on its assets and leverage the ongoing precious metals boom and the country's long-term mining prospects.
Beeline Holdings, BLNE, earns first 5-star review for blockchain-powered home equity product on Trustpilot. Beeline Holdings, traded on NASDAQ under the symbol BLNE, has recently received its first 5-star review on Trustpilot for its blockchain-powered home equity product, Beeline Equity. This innovative solution allows homeowners to access liquidity without debt, monthly payments, or credit underwriting. A satisfied customer expressed gratitude for the opportunity to generate $200,000 by selling 17% of their home through Beeline Equity. Beeline's seamless transaction process and commitment to fairness and innovation were highly praised. This positive feedback comes after Beeline successfully completed its first round of blockchain-tracked transactions, solidifying its position as a leader in tokenizing residential home equity. The growing demand for transparent and technology-driven alternatives to traditional home equity loans is evident in the strong early customer response to Beeline's groundbreaking product.
Oak Securities teams up with TaxStatus to provide independent advisors access to IRS-verified financial data. Oak Securities, Inc., a leading independent broker-dealer and SEC-registered investment advisor, has partnered with TaxStatus to provide its network of independent financial advisors with direct access to IRS-verified financial data and continuous account monitoring. The integration eliminates the traditional back and forth of collecting tax returns and financial documents, allowing advisors to access 10 years of historical financial data through a simple 60-second client e-signature process. TaxStatus connects directly to the IRS to pull verified financial information, analyzing over 3,000 data points per taxpayer to uncover held-away assets, business ownership, real estate holdings, retirement accounts, and other financial details that advisors typically spend hours trying to collect.
AI is taking banking by storm. BMO Capital Markets head of AI will lead a panel on its impact at Benzinga Fintech Day and Award. Armando Benitez, the Chief Data and Analytics Officer and head of AI at BMO Capital Markets, will lead an AI and finance panel at the Benzinga Fintech Day and Awards. AI agents are revolutionizing the financial services industry, Transforming How Banks Operate and Interact with Customers. The panel will feature executives from Perplexity, Lava, Domain Money, and True Trading Group to discuss the impact of AI agents in finance. The discussion will cover topics such as the functions AI agents handle in banks, measuring ROI from AI deployment, fraud prevention, and collaboration between humans and AI in financial workflows. Attendees will gain valuable insights into how AI is reshaping the banking industry and its future impact on business processes, productivity, and customer service.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.